Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Let us start the morning prayer session with 3 rounds of Omkara. Inhale deeply. अद्यतन पंचांगम पंचविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री शोभकृत नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं वसंत ऋतुः वैशाखमासः कृष्णपक्षः षष्ठी तिथिः उत्तराषाढ़ा नक्षत्रम शुभयोगः वनिक्करणं बृहस्पतिवासरः. Today's date 11th May 2023 Thursday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्रार्थरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं कर्णाकार्यसिद्धिश्च पंचांगफलमुत्तमम्. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु. Shloka from Gita, verse 22 from chapter 9. Ananyāścintayento māṁ तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. Meaning, there are those who always think of me and engage in exclusive devotion to me. To them, whose minds are always absorbed in me, I provide what they lack and preserve what they already possess.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Suprabhatam. So in the previous two shlokas, Bhagavan was talking about devotees who desire material goals. Like Svarga is a material goal. And people desiring that material goal worship me. And why they desire this material goal? Because every one of us have this feeling of I lack something. So I need to remove that lack by desire. That is why the desire comes. I want that. So when I get that, that lack will go away. So these bhaktas, devotees also think the same. They think if I go to Svarga, I will get everything. I will be happy permanently. There will be no pain, there will be no suffering. Otherwise, if I am in here, in Bangalore especially city, you have congestion, traffic, too much of heat, etc. All that comfort is there in heaven. So when I am there for a long time and all this pain is gone. Right? So this is what happens. So I give a small example. I have a pain in my hand. So immediately to elevate the pain, what we do? We have some balm and we apply that balm. So the pain is gone. Fine. So we think the pain is gone now. We can stay fine, comfortable. That is how the bhaktas also think. I go to heaven, everything will be fine. But little do they know, they have to come back to earth. Again, all the problems they have to face. Likewise, I am having the balm, but balm is not the solution. It is only relieving the pain. But what is the cause of the pain? We don't know. So again the pain comes. So after some time, the pain comes again and again. I realize this pain reliever balm is not going to relieve the pain completely. It is going to come again and again. I have to look at the cause. So there are some people who understand that lack which is there in me, there is something else which is permanent, which will fulfill that lack. That lack will go away permanently. So that permanent goal is the para prakriti of Bhagavan, the higher nature of Bhagavan, which is otherwise called original consciousness. So here in this shloka, Bhagavan is talking about those people who have understood the limitation of other material goals and are coming to Bhagavan. Bhagavan is their goal. So let me do the word split for this shloka, Padavicheda. Ananyaha chintayantaha mam ye janaha paryupasate tesham nitya abhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahami aham. So Bhagavan is saying, those people who have understood that Bhagavan alone is permanent. The higher nature of Bhagavan, original consciousness is permanent. And that original consciousness is there everywhere. So it is not different from me. Ananya, Shankaracharya says, it is not those who look at Bhagavan, seek Bhagavan as not different from me. So Ananya, Chintayantaha, who dwell upon me in this manner, and who want me committed to that goal. Okay. Ye janaha, those who worship paryupasate. So let us say, if you once understand that you have a goal, 2 days later you have a cultural event. All of you want that cultural event to be a success. You will do a lot of things for the cultural event, but in your mind, only the cultural event you are obsessed with. So your mind is always obsessed with the end goal. So these people also have the mind obsessed with the end goal. What is the end goal? To understand God Paraprakriti, original consciousness, not different from my nature, which is also original consciousness, real nature. If you understand what that feeling of lack, the pain that you are having will be gone. They understand that. And therefore, what they do, Tesham Nitya Abhiyuktanam, they are not just having obsession on the goal. They are putting well-directed, continuous, committed effort. And that only is there in their mind. That alone is the goal. For them, what happens? What about their food, clothing, shelter? They have to stay alive. So, Bhagavan says, you take care of whatever you have to take care of, minimum, whatever is possible by you. But the rest, I will take care. Yogaha means acquiring something for my existence, my need. Acquiring something for my need, food, clothing, shelter. Yogaha is acquiring. Kshemaha is preserving. I should continuously get food, clothing, shelter so that I am alive and I can do this pursuit. So, Yoga Kshemam Vahami Aham. I will take care of their yoga and kshema. This is what Bhagavan has told in this verse. Thank you.
Today's thought of the day by Manasa from BNYS.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought of the day. We either make ourselves miserable or we make ourselves strong. The amount of work is same. Meaning, it says that our state of happiness is completely upon us. We can make ourselves miserable or we can make ourselves happy. It takes the same amount of effort. Which direction do we want to face? Towards happy or towards misery? The choice is ours. Thank you.
Let us end the session with Shanti Mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I'd like to call upon one of the dignitaries for flag hoisting. All rise for national anthem. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashisha Mage Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangala Dayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He. बोलो भारत माता की वंदे